2018 Kia Sportspace. 2018 Kia Sportspace is probably the one car you will like to have, only for the reason it is not made in the USA. It is not a bad thing, you know. The factory originally was built in Seoul, South Korea in 1944. Hyundai and Kia are sibling factories and they produce high-quality vehicles only. We have luck to get only the highest quality from both manufacturers, here in the United States. This vehicle is a modern concept of an all-around car. 2018 Kia Sportspace is made to please a modern family guy who is willing to buy some other than supercar or a sport car. Something that will suit him, her and her family best. When you first lay eyes on the new 2018 Sportspace, you can see Kia's desire to make a car that is going to be eye-appealing and useful at the same time. Long vehicle, with the ground clearance at the right measure. Long hood gives the car a nice and powerful look, although it is not made for aggressive driving. LED headlights and fog lamps are on the side of a grille designed to flow those lights together visually. Modern rims and 5 doors makes this long 2018 Kia Sportspace a nice car. On the inside, 2018 Kia Sportspace is so vast in space it will be comfortable for pretty much anybody. All technology and features are close to a driver, so he can reach them easily. Front touchscreen panel is big and can give basic info about the car. Digital features can be updated manually or automatically. GPS, AC, sound system, USB are present in the 2018 Sportspace. Only the highest quality material is used in assembling the interior of the car. The noise is equal to null when traveling in the 2018 Sportspace. The US version will have a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with 255 horsepower and around 270 pounds-to-foot of torque. 0-60 will be possible in less than 7 seconds and the top speed will be 135 miles per hour. An electric version will have an autonomy of 60 miles per gallon and it will be done with 1.7-liter diesel engine. 2018 Kia Sportspace release date and price. 2018 Kia Sportspace will be available on the market in 2018 with the price between $25,000 and $30,000.